Whew. Good morning. All right. You can't, man. We're going to get that right. We're going to figure that out eventually. Okay. So last week, I went to Smith Rock, and there's just way too many people there for me to record. I don't like people seeing me, watching me, so there's just way too many people. It's a state park. So, didn't record, but came back some pretty cool photos. So, show ya. Today's another beach day. We're just heading to Lincoln City. Nothing too crazy. Not that far away. But I don't know, I found it's called the Dead Forest or something like that, and I'm super close. I'm sorry, that's awkward. It's called the Dead Forest. I think it's a whole bunch of just petrified stumps on the beach. So we're gonna go check that out. Might be pretty cool. But yeah, got a hotel room close to the water. It's like a 300-foot walk, so that'll be nice. Can catch sunset, walk back to the hotel room. So it's 9:15. It's a late start, but it's not a long drive, and we get to hang out. It's supposed to be, I don't know, foggy and cloudy this morning, so I guess we'll see. But also, nothing sets the day up right like spilling your AeroPress while it's brewing all over the van. So that's a good start. Good start to the day. But it's halfway cleaned up. I mean, we're just gonna I wiped up most of the water. We're just gonna let all the coffee grounds dry out and sweep it all out, and that'll be good enough. And it's right after I deep cleaned the van too. I deep cleaned the van on Sunday. Or yeah, like a week ago. Just keeping it nice, keeping it neat, tidy, and then I go and do this. So a friend from work is in a play, and he's doing Murder on the Orient Express. So he has to, he's shaved, just has a mustache. So boss at work was like, hey, we should shave too, just do mustaches. So who knows? Maybe next video I'm gonna have just a mustache. We're going to do a little handlebar type one. I've never had just a mustache before, so I think it's gonna be kind of cool, kind of neat, fun to try. And yeah, if not, we'll just grow the beard back out and keep rocking this style forever. Because babyface me is babyface. So I was thinking about my videos. So I'm getting in this weird mood of not. I was like, how do I explain this? That while I love taking photos, I love making videos. Ooh, the car. Are you gonna move over, or are you just gonna be a dick? Anyway, yeah, I'm in this weird mood to where, yes, I love making videos and I love taking photos, and it's great. I really enjoy it. But I'm sitting there and I do my thing, and then I'm just sitting there. I was like, and I'm just want to be more present in the moment. And yeah, the camera does distract from that, or the filming distracts from that. Being fully conscious in the moment. So I go through these ups and downs of, yeah, I love making videos, I love taking photos. And like, even if no one watches, I don't care, because I'm doing it because it's fun. But then also I'm like, well, hey, no one watches, so what's the point? Let's just be fully conscious in the moment all the time. So I'm like, can you see? Are you blinded? You know, we'll just go with that. If you can see, you see. If you can't, we'll figure it out. But that also leads me into my next point of. So yeah, I started, you know, short films. You know, not talking, just like cinematic type B-roll montages, you know, trying to tell a story is simple. Oh yeah, you definitely can't see me. Oh well. But yeah, and then it evolved to the more vlog type style, you know, having conversations. So, but now I'm also getting kind of bored with that. So not the actual filming part. The filming part's super fun. It's just the editing process is getting a little monotonous now. So I know, I think it was when I went to Mirror Lake, I said I liked the idea of, yeah, you know, nice simple edit, you know, slap it together, slap on a soundtrack, boom, it's done. And while I do like it, the simplicity and the ease of all that, it is boring. It is boring to watch. So I think after this one, because this is just going to be a little slap together video. After this one, because I've been more deliberate with my photography, I will be more deliberate with the videos. So we're going to take my time, make sure the shot is what I want, the shot is how I like it. And a lot of it is going to come down to the editing process of like making everything for a reason and on purpose, especially like the soundtracks, like the music and the sound effects, being more deliberate with that, trying to convey a little bit more emotion with that. And we're also going to start shooting in C-Log, color correcting. I just feel like that's kind of like the next step in the evolution of this film video making process. Because in the very beginning, because I've watched so many YouTube videos about this and just diving in and trying to color correct and color grade and manual focus everything and having a gimbal and all that, like doing too much all at once. So I think, yeah, it's just nice and easy, just like slowly integrating all those little elements into the video so I'm not overwhelmed. So that's going to be it. So I think it's not going to be an every week type of deal. And that also goes into the previous point of not being in the moment, of not living in the moment, is not making a video every week. You know, we're just going to probably every other week. Gives me time to edit, gives me time to piece it all together. And then also, it gives me a weekend off to just enjoy doing what I'm doing. You know, even if it's this epic, even if I go to this, I just slapped the mic, who knows how bad that sounded. Whew. Even if it's a epic waterfall that I'm going to, which hopefully that's soon, because it's hardly rained here in 3 months, so the waterfalls are pretty much non-existent. So hopefully tomorrow we should be getting some rain, and hopefully the rain starts coming through October, November, fall colors, awesome waterfalls. That's a good time. But yeah, even if it's an epic waterfall, if it's not my weekend, if it's not the weekend to make a video and record, then I'm not recording it. I'm enjoying it just for me. And if you want to go, I mean, I'll post pictures on Instagram, but if you want to go and see it, then get out there and go see it. So apparently, the place where I'm at, it's called the Dead Forest. Apparently you can only see it during low tide. And I missed the low tide by about 2 hours. So, don't get to see the Dead Forest, but that's okay. Still pretty good, not bad. Sun's starting to poke through. Still got some clouds, so it's not a complete disaster with clear blue sky or fog like every other time that I've come to the beach. So yeah, wander around. I've taken some photos already. We're going to take some more. And yeah, what a fantastic day. So, beach is pretty nice. Now we're heading to the Cascade Head viewpoint. Now it's like 4.5 miles, so super doable, super easy. Never done it before, so should be nice. Found this dead sea lion that's been there for a minute on the beach. I'm gonna post a photo of it. Yeah, if you don't want to see it, skip ahead like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, I don't know. But it's been there for a while. And I just think it's crazy how we just leave it. Leave it to let it decompose and feed all the other animals. I mean, there's families picnicking, enjoying their day like a couple hundred yards away. I think that's, I don't know, kind of weird, kind of fascinating though. So yeah, I'm gonna walk up here, get a viewpoint, walk back, get to my hotel room, and go sit, enjoy the sunset. Should be, finally, hopefully, a good one. So for school, I have this journal assignment where I have to talk about beauty in photography versus the truth. Like, how much manipulation can you do before the photo is not true anymore? Well, hiking up here, I started thinking about it. And no photo is the truth, right? No photo is going to be how I see it. Doesn't matter if you're shooting on digital, if you're shooting on film, if you're shooting with the best glass or the cheapest kit lens. It's not true, right? Because every sensor is going to interpret the scene differently. Every lens is going to focus light and add contrast differently. Even film, different film stocks. You know, Portra 400 is not going to look the same as Ektar 100 with the exact same settings, you know, fixing for exposure. It's all different. It's all not true. It's not all not real. So, edit away, manipulate away. Because it's still not true. I can take a photo, right? I can take a photo of that tree right there, and I can make it look how I see it, but it's still not true, right? It's still different. So, and then it goes on past that to where, what are you looking at it on, right? Because if it's digital, you're looking at it on a screen. Each screen is different. It's going to display the photo differently on every single screen. Even printing, each printer is going to print it differently. So, I mean, take that, you know, all that interpretation as you will, but no photo is true. But all photos can be beautiful though. So, hey, hopefully, I didn't think about how high up I'd have to actually hike. But man, if I'm getting to the top, that'd be so sick. I think so, maybe. That'd be awesome if I timed this just right to get to the top while I'm recording. No cuts, no nothing. See some water down there. I think, yeah, we're getting, there's the ocean. We get to the top. Man, timed this just right. But no, yeah, anyway. Back to what I was talking about. No photo's true, no photo's real. Even, yeah, you edit for a mood, you edit for a look. It can still be true and real, but it's not. Oh.
Oh, there we go. There's the ocean. Oh yeah. Gonna get out the 70 to 200. Zoom in some. Oh, the sky's nice. This is awesome. This is great. There's no people, hardly anybody up here, so I can actually record. Oh boy. I didn't expect a hike on the coast to be so steep, but whoa, so worth it. So worth it. Probably. It better be. I don't do any cardio. Some weekends on my cardio. But yeah, this is insane. View's great. Oh, I need more cardio. More cardio. Am I gonna do more cardio? Nah. Are we pushing? Top's right up there, not that far. At least I hope not. But, really nice, good. Impromptu hike. Again, super overprepared, but keep on chugging.
Well, clouds came in and it looks like there's going to be zero sunset. Oh well, that's okay. Got Jerry the Seagull here though. Water's coming up. Water's cold. Water is cold today. Oh yeah, we're still going to hang out till sunset. See what happens. It might happen. I don't know. Probably not. But we're still going to hang out.